Welcome to Skibbity Tech. In today's video I will show you how you can run Kali Linux in iPhone or iPad without jailbreak. This is new project and it is exciting and aims to bring the power and flexibility of Kali Linux to iOS devices. It enables users to access Kali Linux in text mode through a terminal emulator on their iOS devices. It opens up a whole new realm of possibilities for security professionals, enthusiasts, and researchers, allowing them to conduct security assessments and investigations seamlessly on the go. Okay, let's start it now with installation process. Your device must be iPhone 12 and higher, and a minimum of 7 GB of memory is required. I am testing it on iPhone 13 Pro Max. First, we need to download the app called iSH Shell from the App Store. It's a terminal emulator that will allow users to access Kali Linux in text mode on their iOS devices. Second, we need to download Custom Kali Roots OS to run our custom Kali Roots, which contains bug fixes. I will put the download link in the description. Once the download completed, then just open iSH app. In the app now, open the settings. Then click on File Systems. Then click on Import. Now select the downloaded Kali iOS and wait for iSH app to fully import it. Once it's done, then just select your Kali importation. And finally click on Boot from this file system. Now iSH app will crash, but don't worry, it's normal. Launch iSH app again and wait until it boots to the new file system. Now you're in Alpine, which serves as Recovery OS. From here, run the startup script to initiate the Kali Linux environment. Just type /kali.sh and hit enter. Congratulations! You are now ready to use full Kali Linux in text mode on your iOS device. To exit Kali environment, simply type exit. I will try to test few Kali tools on it and see if it's worked properly or not, because this project is still new. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.